Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to clear all likes on TikTok. So for that, just head over to your TikTok application. Once you're there, make sure you have logged in into your desired account and head over to your profile by clicking the profile icon on the lower right corner. Then go to the hamburger menu or three lines icon. And if you tap on it, you will see three options. We need to head over to settings and privacy. There, if you scroll down, you will see activity center under content and display section. There you will see several options of your history. There will be watch history, comment history, add links history, mention history, and whatnot. Each and every history of your TikTok account will be there. So you just need to head over to watch history. And there you go. These are the history options that you have been watched and just liked them. So you can just clear from there and go to account history, and there will be your account history too. And yeah, this is how you can just go to your watch history and select a specific one and delete it. Delete and it will be deleted. This is how you can just clear all likes on TikTok. Hope this video will help you out, and make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next one.